Alright, next on the docket, we're going to be doing some Botox. She also last had Botox in January, so we're way past due. Usually Botox lasts for about 3 to 4 months. Today we're just going to tackle her glabella here, so angry face forming. Really strong muscles that pull here, and you can kind of see she pulls those muscles, this deep crease, so we're trying to soften up those muscles for her. You with me? Mm-hmm. Any pain?
Nope.
You can tell there's very minimal bleeding when we do Botox, and it's a very small needle, and so she doesn't experience any kind of pain or discomfort. Botox on average, again, will last for about 3 to 4 months. She'll see it kick in about 4 to 7 days. Very nice.